Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and collecting facts. This avoids blind fixes. Open Settings and install pending Windows 11 updates, then restart. Next, identify your GPU and download the newest vendor driver. You want a clean, current driver to eliminate compatibility causes. After that, run DXdiag, save the report, and read the display and system tabs so you know the Directx version and any device errors. Once done, you'll have the exact targets for the next repair steps. You now fix the middle layer components that cause Directx faults. First, uninstall the GPU driver via Device Manager, check Delete Driver Software, reboot, then install the vendor package you downloaded. Do not rely on the generic Windows driver. Next, run dism to repair the system image, followed by sfc to restore corrupt system files. These commands rebuild system DLLs Directx depends on. Finally, install the Directx enduser, redistributable, and required Visual C++ runtimes, so the app has all runtime libraries it needs. You finish by confirming the fix and preparing fallback options. Launch the affected app or game as administrator and rerun DXdiag to confirm Directx and display devices show no errors. If the issue persists after updates, try a rollback to a previous stable GPU driver or use Display Driver Uninstaller for a clean slate. Make sure to try a clean user profile or reset graphics settings. If everything else fails, a targeted Windows repair or reinstall will preserve apps and clear deep system corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.